Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 11th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now start your second chapter is relation and function. This is your third lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about some numerical question related to Cartesian product and also we discussed some terms just like a relation, domain, codomain, range. Today we recalling that terms just like what is relation. For defining relation we take two non-empty set A and B and any subset of A cross B is said to be relation R from A to B, and it is the collection of all our ordered pair, and in ordered pair the second element is called the image of first element. Now for domain, what is domain? The set containing all the first element belonging to R in ordered pair is said to be domain. And what is range? The set containing all the second element of the ordered pair belonging to R is said to be range. And what is codomain? The whole set B is said to be codomain. Today we start a next term related to that, total number of relation. How to find the total number of relation that can be defined from A to B. Therefore, any relation which are defined from A to B, then total number of possible subset of A cross B is defined as this form. Let set A having number of element P and set B having number of element is Q. Then number of element in A cross B is equal to P dot Q, and so number of relation is 2 की power PQ. This is the collection of number of relation how to find. Now we discuss some numerical question related to these terms. First question is, let capital A is equal to 1 2 and capital B is equal to 3 4. Find the number of relation from A to B. There are two set, capital A having two element 1 2, capital B having two element 3 4, and we find the number of relation from A to B. Here first find we A cross B. A cross B, this is the in place of A we putting A, in place of B we putting 3 4, and this is the ordered pair of this Cartesian product. 1 goes to 3 1 3, 1 goes to 4 1 4, 2 goes to 3 2 3, 2 goes to 4 2 4. There are 4 element in A cross B, so n of A cross B is equal to 4. So total number of relation from A to B is equal to 2 की power 4 equal to 16. Now we move to second question. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 dot 14. Determine a relation R from A to A by capital R is equal to in ordered pair xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x and y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. This question we find a relation in roster form and find these three terms. Given relation R from A to A is given by R ordered pair xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy belongs to A. This can be also written as minus y transferred to this y, we get plus y. So this can be written as R equal to xy such that 3x minus 3x is equal to y, where x and y belongs to A. Now for this we written as ordered pair. First we put A belonging to 1 2 3 dot 14 and starting with 1 in place of x. For x equal to 1, 3x is equal to y, that is 3 dot 1, that is 3, we get y is equal to 3. So x value of x is 1 and value of y is 3, so we get first order pair 1 3. Similarly we put x equal to 2, 3 2 ja 6, so we get 2 6. In place of x we get 3, we put 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 is 9, that third order pair. In place of x we put 4, 3 4 ja 12, 4 and 12. We put x equal to 5, 5 3 ja 15 and y is equal to 15, but a limitation is 1 to 14 and 15 is out of this range, so we not putting 15. We get 4 ordered pair 1 3 2 6 3 9 and 4 12. Now this is the form of relation in roster form. Now what is domain? Domain is the all the first element in ordered pair, that is 1 2 3 4, that is domain of R is 1 2 3 4, and range is all the collection of second element 3 6 9 12, and the range of R is 3 6 9 12, and codomain is the whole set A, that is 1 2 3 dot 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 14. Similarly, we move to third question. Write the relation R equal to in ordered pair x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. Write in Rooster form, find its domain and range. In this question, given relation R x comma x in ordered pair such that x is a prime number less than 10. First we find the prime number less than 10. The prime number less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. There are 4 elements, 4 prime number less than 10, and for putting this we get ordered pair. First we put 2 here, x equal to 2 comma 2 cube, we get 2 cube 8. Next we put 3 3 comma 3 cube, we get 3 27. 5 for 5 5 comma 5 cube, we get 5 comma 1 to 5. 7 7 comma 7 cube, we get 7 comma 3 4 3. There are 4 element in relation R, and the domain is all the first element 2 3 5 7, and range R is all the second element 8 27 1 to 5 and 3 4 3. This is the format of relation, domain, codomain and range finding. Using this lecture you can solve your homework. Your homework is, let A is equal to 0 1 2 dot 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 8 and R equal to in ordered pair AB such that A comma B belongs to A and 2A plus 3B is equal to 12. Find its domain and range. First you retain this R in Rooster form and then you find domain and range. Second question is, let R equal to in ordered pair xy such that x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x belongs to n and y belongs to n. This is the set of natural number. Write R in Rooster form and find its domain and range. On behalf of this lecture, you can solve your homework and try your exercise. Thank you.